So today we are doing a project about state of matter, solid, liquid and gas. We're going to do a project about solid. So we got these golden pins. So we're going to press them together and make it into a square to show you guys about how solid actually works, that they are together.
Yes, so what the children are going to do today, we're building what looks like a bed of danger, but it's actually all about pressure in physics. So while they're placing the pins, so why are we using so many pins?
So that was because we can demonstrate how solid actually looks like.
How the pressure is. Okay, 1 minute, shall we stop?
What is that?
Pressure, it's to do with pressure, not the solid, is it? Okay, we're getting there now. So we've used the pins, drawing pins. Now we might not have enough drawing pins because it's taken a lot of drawing pins. But what we do, it's more than enough to have 1 foot at a time on one side. So we shall demonstrate by doing that.
Add some pins, please. Alright.
So yes, let's make it, let's try to say that do not face the sharp pins outwards, because that will really be ouch. You will hurt yourself. So make sure obviously the sharp side is facing downwards on the cardboard, because facing upwards that would be unsafe and not necessary for demonstrating pressure physics. The idea isn't to cause harm, it's to show how when force is spread over a wider surface, many pinheads pressure is reduced at each point. That is the point of the experiment. So like we say, so we built a cardboard bed of danger using drawing pins, but it's all part of learning about pressure. Watch as we test what happens when force is spread out over a large area. No fingers were harmed in the making of this video. Was there, children? Was there any fingers? Was there any harm?
No.
No. It's a bit of time consuming, but it will be worth it once they want to step on it, and that will be the excitement of the project. Okay, so yes, we're going to be getting ready now to try this experiment. So this is a real life demo of the pressure formula. Pressure equals what, children? Pressure equals force divided by? Area. Yes, force divided by area. More area equals less pressure per point. So that's what we are aiming for. Looks scary, but it's all about science, not a trap, just a smart experiment.
Ta-da!
Yeah, it's done, is it? So are we ready for the... Okay, place it on. There you go. So this is our pin here. We're going to place it on slowly. So what do you think? Can you feel anything? No. So we built a science challenge, 1 board, 2 brave feet, and 100 drawing pins. But will they feel a thing? Do you feel a thing?
No.
Let's test pressure physics. Kids versus kid. So how do you feel?
I feel it's like bumpy.
Is it bumpy?
Yeah.
Right. Can you feel, if you were able to stand on 1 pin, would you be able to stand on 1 pin?
No.
Drawing pin? No. What would happen with that 1 pin? Would you be able to
probably snap.
snap, or would it be?
It will cause damage to the feet.
Probably unbalanced.
Yes, that's the exact, it would be unbalanced. Yes, obviously it could probably hurt, you probably could hurt yourself, but the more for science phrase, it would have been unbalanced. Right, you could take one off, or do you want to? So take it off again so individual can see. There you go, that's the pins. And then you can place it back on again, slowly. There you go. So what was the aim for this?
It's for pressure.
It's for pressure to see how it
Can handle
can handle what?
your weight.
With your weight on the drawing pins. Mm.
I can see your balance.
Right, okay. So when you do this, you just have to make sure each child should place only one foot on the pin board. The other foot stays firmly on the floor for balance and support. Even though the force is spread out, standing with both feet raises the risk of sudden pressure or slipping. Good. So keep one foot on the floor. Let's them gently control how much weight goes onto the pin side. So when you're doing it each, one foot on the floor, let's them gently control on how much weight goes onto the pin side. So you're showing how pressure spreads over a wider area, not testing bravery. So we're not testing bravery here, we're just showing how the pressure goes. Right, that is the demonstration for the
Pressure.
pressure for physics.